Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I will be doing an unboxing slash review on the House of Supplies January Icy Box and nail subscription. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do types of videos. So like I said, here in this video, I will be doing an unboxing slash review. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. Also, do not forget to check out down below in the description for any of my social media as well as any discount codes I have available. I will also make sure to link down below the House of Supplies website if you guys are interested in any other products or any of their nail subscriptions. I will make sure to link them down below so that way you guys could go ahead and check them out. And let's get on to unboxing. Okay, so here I have both packages. I don't know which is which, but this one seems like a little bit more heavy. This one looks like a little bit more flat and not really anything in it. So to start off, I will be going ahead and opening this one. So to start off, here is the first package, and I'm really excited to be showing you guys what I got. So like I did mention, these are just some nail subscriptions, and I will be going ahead and unboxing both of them. So I don't know which is which, but I am subscribed to the Icy Box and the nail subscription, and these nail subscriptions and Icy Boxes are only $12.99 a month. So if you guys are interested, I definitely recommend to go ahead and invest your money into something like this where you get, it's fun, you get new products, and it's trendy, you get all the kinds of different stuff. So I am very excited to be showing you guys what I got, and I did go ahead and open them with my Bell's Beauty Supply vintage scissors. So I will also make sure to link these down below so that way you guys could go ahead and check them out as well, so that way you guys could go ahead and use my code and save some money like I did mention. So like I did mention, I will make sure to link down below the House of Supplies website if you guys are interested in it. So here in this first one, this is like a quick little sneak peek. So the first thing that I got in here are some charms, which look at these look so bomb. So here first we have some charms, as you can see. We also did go ahead and receive some crystals, which look at these look really nice, as you could tell. And then here next we got some more crystals, which look at these look beautiful as well. And then also in here, last but not least, here we also did go ahead and grab these charms as well. Here in this first package, these are the 4 items that we've received in it. So to start off, we only received charms and crystals. So honestly, I feel like this one is the Icy Box, but we will be going ahead and waiting to see what's in the other package as well. So here in this first one, we did receive these charms right here, which look really pretty, as you could see. So they have like a kind of like, I'm not sure exactly the name of this color, but it's like a really pretty color, as you could see, as well as like the clear silver color. So they kind of just look like this, and I have received these in the past, except the ones that I have received, they were like all silver and clear. I'm sure if you guys make sure to go check out my other House of Supplies videos, you guys will know what I'm talking about. But this is just what they look like, and they do go ahead and come in a 10-piece. And then here next, we also did get these crystal charms as well. So they're just some LV charms, and they're like gold, and they have the AB crystals on them, and this is what they look like. They're really nice, and these also do come in a 10-piece. And then here next, we also did get these crystal shapes, which look really pretty. I'm not exactly sure on the color of these, but as you can see, this is what they look like, and they're really pretty. The shine on them is perfect as well, and this is like a mix of shapes. So I do see some like hearts, rhombuses, emerald cuts, diamonds. I see some kites, some narvettes, some pears, just a bunch of random shapes, which this definitely will come in handy for a beginner or just anybody that will get the use out of them. The same with these. I will definitely say I'm sure I'm probably going to get more use out of these than those purplish bluish ones, but these are also really pretty. So they have like raindrops, narvettes, pears, kites, diamonds. So pretty. This really pretty gold color is really nice. So this is the first nail subscription or Icy Box that we received, and we only received 4 products. Okay, so here next we do have the next package from House of Supplies, which I'm really excited to be opening, because I could definitely feel that there's more product in here. So I am really excited. But besides that, I am so excited to be seeing what we received. So just to give you guys a quick little sneak peek on to what we received, here it is. But just to start off, the first thing that I do go ahead and grabbed by these charms. So this is what they look like. They look super nice. And then here next, we did also receive some more crystals. Look at those. Look at this new color. It is so pretty. So this is what they look like. And then here next, we did receive some Born Pretty gel polish, which I'm really excited to be opening. So this is the Born Pretty Pro gel polish. So it has like their Instagram, so nice. So this is what the color looks like. I cannot wait to unbox that. And then here next is another gel polish from Born Pretty as well. This is a color, and that is everything that we received here in this package. Okay, so here as you can see, we did get a total of 4 products, and this is what we received. So I'm pretty sure this is the nail subscription, and then the other one was the icy box. So here as you can see, we did receive 2 gel polishes, which I've never received gel polishes. Well, at least I have, but at least not from like an actual brand, if that makes sense. So I'm really excited to be opening these. So the first one that I am going to be going ahead and opening is this one. So this is just the Born Pretty Pro gel polish, and it does have 15 ml. Here it does have their Instagram. Here in the back has like the ingredients, the caution, and then, you know, just the label. And then I like that on top you could see the color. That is nice. So this is the first gel polish, as you could see here, which this is what it looks like, and it is in the number 36. And as you can see, it's this really pretty like baby blue kind of color, and this is what it looks like. It is super pretty. Look at that. Very nice. So this is what this one looks like. And if you guys didn't know, I already do have this Born Pretty Pro collection. So I do already have this color, which I will be giving away this color to one of you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Make sure to stay tuned at the end for the giveaway details. But here is the Born Pretty Pro gel polish, 15 ml, which this is another color, which is a really pretty green. I'm not exactly sure on the number, but I do not want to open it just because I will be giving away these 2 gel polishes to one of you guys. So definitely stay tuned at the end for the giveaway. And this is the first 2 products that I received here in the nail subscription. Here are these next items that I received from this nail subscription as well. So we did receive these Dior charms, as you could see. So they are just gold, and they have that AB color crystal on them, which is so pretty. And this is what they look like, and it is a 10-piece. Then here next, we also did go ahead and receive these crystals as well, which it is this really pretty black diamond kind of color, and they kind of look like black and clear, but I'm pretty sure it's because these don't have like a backing, so they obviously just kind of look see-through. But this is a really pretty color, and again in the different shapes. So like kite, pear, I see some rhombuses, some emerald cuts, some teardrops, some diamonds, some navettes, some hearts. Super pretty. I cannot wait to use these and add these to my collection. Okay, so as you can see here is everything that I received for the month of January, which as you can see, we did receive just new products. So I'm really excited to see that here, and I'm really also excited that we received some gel polishes, which will be sent to one of you guys. So I'm so excited to be giving that away to you guys. But for the most part, we did get a whole lot of crystals and charms, which I'm really excited about. You guys know I'm a big fan of like all the extra stuff, so I'm really excited to be adding this to my collection. Definitely comment down below your thoughts and opinions on what I received, whether you guys liked it or disliked it, if you guys have received any of these products in the past or now. For the most part, I loved everything that I received, especially the charms. I'm really excited to be adding these charms to my collection, as well as these new kinds of crystals that I've never seen before. So I'm really excited to be adding those as well. For this month of January, I will definitely rate it a big 10 out of 10, only because we did receive new product. First off, we also did receive some gel, which I've never received gel. I hope to see more gel soon in more months, but for the most part, I do love everything that I received, especially all the new product, all the new stuff that I don't have. Definitely give this month a 10 out of 10. Definitely comment down below what you guys would rate this month's box. But for the most part, I am very excited to receive everything that I did receive, and I hope that in the future I do receive more charms and crystals and more just nail related stuff. But for the most part, this is everything that I received for the month of January from the icy box and the nail subscription. And also, I hope that you guys enjoyed everything that I received here from Health and Supplies. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that you get notified every time I upload. And again, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to check down below in the description for the House of Supplies website. And also do not forget that these nail subscriptions and icy boxes are $12.99 a month. So definitely make sure to also go get your hands on one if you guys are interested in receiving new surprises into your month. So also do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media as well as any discount codes that I have available. Make sure to go check those out if you guys haven't. And also do not forget to show some love on my Instagram, TikTok, and all that good stuff. And again, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and let's get on to giving you guys the rules for this giveaway. Okay, and for the giveaway, I will be giving away these two gel polishes from Born Pretty. So this is the Born Pretty Pro collection, and you guys will be receiving these two colors. So it's like a really pretty like baby blue kind of teal color and this really pretty like green emerald color. But if you guys will be receiving these two gel polishes, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Also, you have to give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to turn on your post notifications, and also you will have to leave a comment with your Instagram or your email or just something that I can contact you with. And also you have to leave a comment, one reason on why you guys like my channel. Just something nice and simple, straight to the point. So make sure to leave either your Instagram handle or your email, some way I could contact you, and just one reason on why you guys love watching my channel or why you guys watch me. And that's all you have to do to enter. I will make sure to leave down below in the description the day and the rest of the info for the giveaway if you guys are interested in participating. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Good luck to everybody, and see you guys in the next one.